A new cyber threat has emerged that you should be aware of. It's called Astaroth. Cybersecurity got a little more complicated with the arrival of Astaroth, a new phishing kit that's making waves in the cybercrime world. This advanced tool is designed to bypass two-factor authentication, a security measure many of us rely on to keep our accounts safe. Astaroth isn't your average phishing scam. Unlike traditional phishing attempts that trick you into handing over your username and password on a fake login page, Astaroth takes things to the next level. It uses a technique called reverse proxy. Think of it as a sneaky middleman that sits between you and the real website. When you log into services like Gmail, Yahoo, or Microsoft 365, Astaroth captures everything: your user ID, password, 2FA code, even your session cookies. This happens in real time, letting the attackers hijack your account almost instantly. The kit is so sophisticated that it can grab those precious 2FA tokens, like the codes on your phone, as soon as you enter them. And with the session cookies in hand, a cybercriminal can log into your account as you without needing to re-authenticate. That's right, 2FA, once thought to be a strong defense, is not enough to stop this attack. Here's the basic rundown. You click on a malicious link, maybe from an email or shady website, then you're taken to what looks like a legitimate login page. Thanks to SSL certificates, there's no warning to tip you off. Behind the scenes, Astaroth is relaying your information to the real website while secretly collecting your user ID, password, 2FA code, the session cookies, which enables them to have full access to your account. Astaroth just isn't a tool for elite hackers. It's being sold on cybercrime forums for $2,000 to anybody, complete with 6 months of updates and testing options. It's hosted on bulletproof servers that are tough for law enforcement to shut down, making it a persistent threat. Experts are calling it a game changer because it undermines the trust we've placed in 2FA. All the usual defenses are harder to spot with this attack. So what can you do? First, be extra cautious with emails or messages urging you to log in somewhere, especially if they demand immediate action. Instead of clicking on links, go directly to the official website by typing in the URL yourself. Second, make sure you're using a good password manager like Keeper. If you happen to go to a fake login page, it shouldn't offer to fill those credentials in for you, which is a red flag that you're not on a legitimate site. Third, it's essential to have a great email security solution that will help prevent these types of phishing emails from coming through. Finally, make sure you and your team are taking ongoing cyber awareness training and phish testing. Continue to stress to your team that they need to be vigilant and always report anything that looks out of the ordinary to your IT team. Astaroth is a wake-up call that cybercriminals are getting smarter. While 2FA is still a good habit, it's not foolproof. Staying vigilant and having a comprehensive security strategy with layers of protection are key to keeping your accounts secure in 2025 and beyond. Please reach out to our team if you have any questions. To receive future alerts like this, please click the subscribe link below. Thanks.